After switching on the OpenSpritzer, first check whether the pressure is what is recommended. This should be between 1.2 bar and 1.8 bar for a nice and crisp pulse. Pressure can be adjusted on the pressure regulator. First pull out the adjuster and turn clockwise for increased pressure, anti-clockwise for decreased pressure. Pressures above 2 bar may damage the valve. The BNC connection marked pedal is for operating the foot switch. The mini USB connection is for programming the OpenSpritzer, and the TTL connection is for operating the OpenSpritzer via trigger. This flip switch switches between the foot switch and the trigger mechanism. And the pulse duration rotary dial is for adjusting the duration on the foot switch. When using the rotary dial to adjust the foot switch duration, you will notice the LED flickering for the duration of the pulse. Anti-clockwise is for shorter duration, and clockwise is to achieve the longest duration. This range can be set in the software. And if I click on this, you can hear it opening and closing. You can also hold it in. Let's now switch to the Arduino IDE software. The top section in the software is for setting the key parameters. The top 3 parameters would have been set in the workshop, and there's no need to adjust them. You may need to adjust it for troubleshooting. Consult the manual for more information. The pulse low parameter is for setting the lowest end of the rotary dial. Let's set this to 100 milliseconds. The pulse high parameter is for setting the highest setting. You can set this to 2000 milliseconds. And the pulse delay is for setting the delay period between pulses if you were to hold the foot switch in. We can now connect the Arduino IDE to the OpenSpritzer. Select the COM port and make sure that you're connected by clicking on Get Board Info. If the VID and PID numbers are visible, it means that you are connected. Now click on the Upload Software icon. After it's been uploaded, we can switch back to the OpenSpritzer view. So there's the shortest pulse, 100 milliseconds pulse. The longest pulse will now be 2 seconds. And we've changed the delay as well to 500 milliseconds. So if I hold in, we'll get that delay. Let's now switch from the pedal to the external trigger control.